Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a Mitsubishi Galant. This is a straightforward task that most car owners can complete in about 10 to 15 minutes. You won't need many specialized tools, just a few common items you likely already have. Always remember to prioritize safety by turning off your car and letting the engine cool down before you begin working on any electrical components. First, pop open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector plugged into the bulb. This connector usually has a small clip or tab that you'll need to press or pull to release it. Gently but firmly pull the connector straight off the bulb. Sometimes, a pair of needle nose pliers can help if it's a bit stubborn. Next, you might find a rubber dust cover. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Behind that, you'll see a retaining wire clip or the bulb itself, which you'll twist counterclockwise to release. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base, never touching the glass. Oils from your skin can create hot spots and shorten the bulb's life. Insert the new bulb, twist it clockwise to secure, and reattach the retaining clip. Once the new bulb is securely in place, put the dust cover back on, twisting it clockwise to seal it. Then, firmly push the electrical connector back onto the bulb until it clicks into place. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. Finally, turn on your car's headlights to verify that the new bulb is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.